Hello, in this video we'll see construction of DFA over input symbol 0, 1 which accept the substring 000. So in this video we have to construct the DFA which will accept the substring 000. So before construction of DFA, first of all we'll write down the possible set generated by this language. So I will write the possible string. So first string will be 000. Next string can be 1000. So string can start with 0, end with 0. There is no restriction. Then we can write 11000. Then 101000. Then 111000 So there is substring. In every string there is substring 000. So this can be the possible string 000000. Then 10001100 and so on. So these are the possible values. Now we have to construct the DFA which will accept this value. So you can note down one point that the total number of states will be in this type of question, the total number of states will be length of the substring plus 1. So what is the length of the substring? Length of the substring is 3, so it will be 3 plus 1, 4. So there will be total 4 states. So first of all I will draw 4 states, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us take the first string 0, 0, 0. So here I will draw, let us say first string is 0, 0, 0. So this is state number. I will write Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. So here Q3 is final state. It may change, but as of now Q3 is the final state. Then next string will be 100. So it can be 100, then it can be 111, 000, then it can be 111, 000. So what is the solution? The solution is we can apply cycle on Q0. So if we apply cycle on Q0 or 1, it will accept 100, then 11000, 111000. So here this is DFA, means for one input symbol there will be only one transition. So remember this thing. Then next thing is this is solved. Then 101000. So 101000. So 10, then we want this 30. So what we have to do? We have to again go back for 1. So it will accept 101000. So string is accepted. Now next possibility I can write is 10101000. So let us see 10101000. So it is again solved. Then next string I will take is 0 01000. Then 00111000. So what we have to do in this case? So here 0, then 0, then it is containing 000. So we have to again go back to Q0. Do not come back to Q1 because it will contain substring 000. So I will come to Q0 again for 1. So it will accept 001, then 000. So it will reach to final state. So when the string is accepted, when you reach to final state, the string is accepted. Then again next possibility 0011000. String is accepted. Now next possibility I will take is 0001 00011 00011. So how to take it? 000, then there can be any number of 1, so it will be 1. Then 00011 Now next possibility I will take is 00010 00010. So what we have to do? 0001, then there is 0, so we can apply 0 here so that it will accept any number of 0. Then 00010 00000. So it is accepting any number of 0. Now this case 0 0 0 0 0 0. So what we have to do, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So it is accepting any number of 0, any number of 1. So then next possibility, next string I will take is 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 0 0. So 1 1 0 0 0, then 1 1 triple 0. So now it is accepting any number of 0 and any number of 1. So again it is accepting triple 0 as substring. So this is your final DFA which is accepting substring 0 0 0. So that's it for this video. I do hope you understand this concept. So if you like the video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.